So this week is like the craziest week I have had in a long time, mainly on the cake side of things. We have 6 weddings this week and a bunch of birthdays. I don't know why everybody has their events the same week. It happens like this a lot, but I ended up bringing out a tool that I haven't used in some time, especially not since we moved here for sure. And I wanted to share it with you because I think it's a good system and something I used for years until I just stopped using it. But on busy weeks, it comes in handy. All right, so this is a spreadsheet that I call my cake template. And basically I fill it out with the day of the week that something's due, their first name, the size of the cake, shape. Most of the time it's round, but we do heart cakes as well, and then very rarely a square cake, and then the cake flavor, filling, what kind of frosting and what color it is, and then also any kind of details about the cake, which sometimes there is no details to share. And then as I work through the week and bake cakes and fill cakes and whatnot, I start highlighting them. Oops, this one. So like this cake actually has already been picked up, but I like to highlight them. And then it's also like, you did it, yay. And then when a cake is like kind of in progress, so these cakes that I have the yellow next to, they're actually in the oven right now and my timer's gonna go off any moment. Once I take those cakes out of their pan, wrap them in plastic wrap and put them in my fridge, that's when I mark them as official. So this really comes in handy on busy weeks to make sure that I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do, and especially when I have multiple of the same flavor. Like I think I have 3 6-inch red velvet cakes due this week, but all 3 have different fillings. So I want to make sure that I'm doing the right one for the right person. So this really helps keep me on track. It also really helped, and part of why I started using it years ago was for staff, because different people could be, see there's my timer, different people could be baking or filling or frosting, and this just keeps everybody on track. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna go get my timer, but otherwise, yeah.